Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Wednesday. You all already know, right? The Fed dropped the Fed rate hikes today. They came up by 75 basis points, and the market went crazy. I mean, it went up, it went down. We saw some extreme volatility. I myself did not play it because it was not only a good opportunity to make some money, but it was a good opportunity to lose just as much, if not more. So I try and avoid those kind of risks. Before we get into it, talking about it though, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So all right. Today, Jerome Powell jumped in there and he put the fear into the market. He put fear, absolute fear, into the markets. We know that there's already been a lot of, talking, a lot of FUD, a lot of rumors, and all of these things going on. And we thought the market pretty much priced a lot of this in. In the past, we saw the Fed come out, they gave us the rates, and the market reversed to the upside for a good little while. We were happy with fat, dumb, and happy for a while. And then today, they showed even more hawkish attitude, so very much just aggressive attitude than they have in the past. They came out and firmly said that they will not be slowing this thing down. They are applying the pressure. So I know I like to say it, but all gas, no brakes at this time as far as the interest rate goes from the Fed. So not only do we see a third consecutive 75 basis point rate hike, which we have not seen in history for, I mean, who knows, ever maybe, but there's the potential for more of those. They do not plan to let up off of this thing until they see about 4.6% increase. So we could potentially see even more 75 basis point rate hikes or 50 basis point hikes. Whatever, at this point, they feel like whatever it takes to get inflation down, they're going to do it, even if it means putting the economy into a recession. So that's what we're experiencing right now. That's why the markets are red. And we already talked about this, you guys. I told you there could be a lot more to come. There could be a lot more of this downward pressure. Right now, things are, we're coming down hot and heavy. And I mean, what can you say about it? We're almost back to the June levels, but we have not hit it just yet. Right now, we have about $10 more on the S&P 500 before we hit those June lows again. We do have potential. We're at a strong support right now. Like today, we pretty much hung out flat, and then we bounced down to the support, and we came back up to the demand, and we pretty much hung out in that zone. But as of right now, with this negative catalyst and potential for more negative catalyst to come with the unemployment numbers coming out and things of that nature, we could potentially see this bad boy come down just as low as it did in June, if not lower. And you all know, just like I know, when the Ukraine and Russia issue happened, we thought we had saw lows then. Until June, we saw things go back bullish again, and then June came and boom, we hit the floor. We hit a new low. So as of right now, we thought we were bullish again for the month of August, and now here it is in September. What could happen next? Could we potentially see new lows? I don't know. I think it's a very strong possibility. But I'm hoping to possibly see some relief. After today, hopefully the market overreacted and we could potentially see some green next week. This week, I'm not sure what we can expect. I mean, who knows? There's entirely too much news coming up that could potentially push things further down. So until we get those things out of the way, until they get cleared up, right now we just got to kind of ride the wave and watch it. So let's check out the market though. Let's see what it did. So we have the Dow down 1.70%, S&P 500 down 1.71%, NASDAQ down 1.79%, and the Russell down 1.42%. Now I'm almost fairly sure all of these continued down even into the after hours. We saw the VIX is up 3.06%, so that means the fear and greed is definitely in extreme fear right now. We can take a look at that. And just in case you all don't know how to get there, look at these numbers. Down in the after hours, 0.51%. And this is just after hours. 0.71% for the S&P 500, NASDAQ 0.89%. So we definitely taking a beating right now towards the downside, you guys. On the fear and greed side, we were at a 36 the last time we checked it out. We're currently at a 31. So even more fear being pumped into the markets. You already know when fear is in there, prices come down. However, I myself, I continue to buy. Now, I'm not recommending that for everybody because, hey, who knows what your finances do or how long you plan on being in this game. But for myself, 5 to 10 years, getting it at these prices and being able to withstand a lot of this volatility, a lot of this downward pressure, that's what's going to I'm hoping, make me a millionaire in the future within the next 5 to 10 years. But we shall see. Hopefully, I'm on this journey with you all and you all stick around with me for that long. But anyway, we're going to make some money this year too and next year. But yeah, so the markets came down hot and heavy. NEO took a crazy beating, down 10%, on top of the fact that it's just been down all week. So on the total on the week, in the past 5 days, NEO has come down 17%. I was loving this bad boy. I saw it hit the $22 mark again. I was praying like, yes, keep running, keep running. And sure enough, down 17.47% from those highs. So that's crazy. We took a beating on NEO. Tesla finally came down today. ChargePoint came back down today. Tesla finally came back down, even though it didn't hit a new low. It had been running up like crazy, y'all. Tesla ran all the way up to about $312 today, the high from that I'm aware of. Actually, we had a high of $313, but it came all the way back down to that $300 point. So I mean, you could have made money on the way up. I mean, all the way from here back in September 16th, I guess. September 16th all the way up to the 21st. You could have been making money. The 20th, I'm sorry, could have been making money on Tesla, just going to the upside because it's been applying pressure. And Tesla and ChargePoint, you all know, those are the two I told you. Hey, they're doing their thing. They're running up. You could have got in, got out. ChargePoints came back down to its previous levels from that $18 high, that actually almost $20 high that it had. It's come down, 18% over the past 5 days. And all of that is in anticipation of what happened today, the interest rate hikes. How's the Fed, what the Fed is going to do, what was their attitude towards the market. So this is how news can really affect your portfolio. That bad news alone can really push things towards the upside or the downside. And as you all see today, it went extremely hard to the downside. So hopefully we see some relief. If not, hey, you all buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride, and make sure you have those puts ready. Do not play days like today because you could lose a lot of money, just being unsure, just because of the amount of uncertainty in the market. But the rest of this week, hopefully we can make some money, we can make some clear plays, and I mean, just keep making money. Well, that's what I have for you guys. Don't forget we got unemployment. The employment numbers coming out later this week, and just several other things to be aware of. So I'll be trying to keep you all updated on that. Thank you all for joining Journey Become Wealthy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.